Listen, I had to buy like a huge case.
I can imagine with
stopped-
all the colors.
I stopped traveling just because it was so annoying. Because when you're traveling with all those bottles, you can't put them in the airplane.
Yeah.
You can't put them in the pressurized cabin. They won't let you because it's too
Mhm.
many liquids and you might blow up the plane, right?
Mhm.
So you have to put them under the plane. The under the plane is not pressurized. So
And
when the pressure changes, it pops.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh
I
my
saw
god! So
that.
every time I would fly
You have to
from
buy like new ones. Or
no,
what?
I wouldn't. I would just have to clean everything up.
Oh,
I would get
yeah.
at least like 4 or 5 of them that just like they don't pop, they
Mhm.
just leak.
Mm.
But then the bottles are all messy
Yeah, it's
and
so-
leaky.
nah.
It's a headache. It's a headache. I call the airport to see if they have some sort of exception. Maybe they have some sort of form or
to bring
exceptions.
that.
Nothing. It
Yeah, I
drives me
saw
crazy.
that in many artists when they post on their stories.